In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then, when you're ready, use this icon at the top right corner of it. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To minimize it, use this icon of a line at the top left corner. And then to access it again, tap on the bubble. To use your app in full screen view, click on this icon next to the line, also at the top left corner. To close it completely though, use this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!